So in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to compare simple and compound interest. To do this we're going to take an example, and the example is we're going to invest $20,000 with 3% interest for 10 years. We're going to do it both with simple interest and with compound. Now with simple interest, all you do is you calculate the interest based on the initial amount. So interest is based on the initial amount. So what I do is I work out 3% of 20,000. So in your calculator you do that, you get 600. It'll be $600. Okay? And then that gets paid every single year. So this is every year. You get $600 every single year. So at the end, what I would have is my initial amount, $20,000, and I'd have 10 lots of 600. So I'm going to add on 10 lots of $600. So in total, that would give me $26,000. That's if we were doing simple interest, where it's just a one-off calculation. Now, if you're looking at compound, the interest is calculated every year. So what that means is that after your first year, you calculate 3% of that year. You then calculate 3% of the second year and 3% of the third year, and it adds on. So we expect this to be larger than this because the interest gets the 3% as well. So after our first year, this $600 also gets included in the 3%. So to calculate this, I take my initial amount, and what I'm going to do is every year I get 3% interest. Now, the 1 represents the fact that we've got to include the 20,000 initially. That's the 100%, the whole amount. And then we're adding on 3% every year for 10 years. So that's after the first year, that's the second, third, fourth, all the way up to the 10th. So I have 10 of them. So another way to write this using our indices is that. Put this in your calculator, and you get $26,878.33 if we round up. So you can see just by compounding interest as opposed to paying simple interest, we've made another $878.